Considering buying a spa pool? If so, you might be wondering what the pros and cons are of owning a spa. A spa pool can be a great addition to your home. If you're considering getting one, you'll want to soak up as much information as you can before you buy. What are the pros of owning a spa pool? Relaxation and rejuvenation. People have been enjoying the benefits of water therapy for thousands of years. It's no secret that warm water immersion can help to soothe tired muscles and joints, helping to relieve stress and tension that has built up during the day. There's nothing like sitting back and relaxing in soothing warm water with jets gently massaging your body and serene lighting to help you switch off and unwind. Quality time with family. Spa pools are an ideal opportunity to put the devices away, completely switch off from the outside distractions of life and enjoy quality time with family and friends. You can use them all year round. First-time spa buyers often ask if they can be used in the summer as well as the winter. The simple answer is yes, you absolutely can. If you want to use your spa during the warmer summer months, you can cool the water down, but it won't be possible to get it cooler than the ambient outdoor temperature. However, setting the temperature on your spa controller, using a heat pump, adding cold water or ice, removing the cover, and using shade solutions can all help. Great for small outdoor living areas. If you have a small backyard and are wondering whether a spa would be suitable, it is most likely possible to have a spa pool installed so long as you plan ahead. If you want to put a spa in a small outdoor area, consider the size and layout, location and access to the equipment for future maintenance. That's some of the key benefits of owning a spa pool, but a spa pool may not be the perfect choice for everyone, so let's run through the cons. Purchase and installation cost. The installation cost of purchasing a spa pool is one of the key factors you'll need to take into account. You can spend anywhere from $4,000 to well over $40,000, depending on the quality, brand, and special features. It's important to remember that some key features might cost more initially, but will save you money in the long run. For example, a circulation pump, heat pump, superior insulation and heavy-duty cover come at a cost but will help to reduce your energy usage, which can save you thousands of dollars in electricity over your spa's lifespan. Maintenance. Spa pools require regular attention, such as cleaning the filters, testing and balancing the water, and adding sanitizer such as chlorine or bromine. While the maintenance may sound like a lot of work, you'll find that with modern spas, especially higher quality ones, the maintenance is quite simple. Most high quality spas and some mid-market spas have built-in automatic sanitizing systems to help keep the water safe, clean and clear. High running costs. While it's true that older or low quality spa pools may have high electricity bills, the running costs depend on several factors, such as the build quality and equipment, how often you use it, how it was installed, and the outdoor temperature. As I mentioned earlier, it may be enticing to buy a cheap spa, but as a general rule, the lower the upfront cost, the more you will likely pay for ongoing running costs and maintenance. So now you know the main pros and cons of owning a spa, you're in a better position to decide whether or not to invest in one. If you need help in choosing the right spa, our experts are here to help. Get in touch with our sales team or visit your local Spa World showroom.